Are you looking for the best spinning reels? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best spinning reels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KastKing Sharky Baitfeeder. Here's a polished and concise product description for the KastKing Sharky Baitfeeder 3 spinning reel, blending your details with marketing clarity. KastKing Sharky Baitfeeder 3 spinning reel. Live liner bait fishing action. New. The KastKing Sharky Baitfeeder 3 is a cutting-edge bait feeder style spinning reel featuring classic dual drag control, front and rear, engineered for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Key features: dual drag system, classic front and rear drag functions for precise control, perfect for live bait fishing techniques. 10+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings. Ensures ultra-smooth performance and enhanced corrosion resistance. Durable engineering. Built with precision alloy gears, a stainless steel main shaft, and a robust 5.5:1 gear ratio for reliable power and performance. Powerful drag. Equipped with carbon fiber drag washers delivering up to 26.5 pounds/12 kilograms of smooth drag power. Ideal for fighting trophy fish. Inspired design. Features a CNC aluminum shark fin braid ready spool, high modulus corrosion-free graphite body, and computer-balanced rotor. Bonus spare spool. Includes an extra high-strength graphite spool for convenience and versatility. Whether you're chasing freshwater giants or battling saltwater brutes, the Sharky Baitfeeder 3 delivers power, precision, and reliability in one sleek package. Number 2. KastKing Brutus Spinning Reel. Here's a polished and informative product description for the KastKing Brutus Spinning Reel. KastKing Brutus Spinning Reel. Smooth, strong, and affordable. The KastKing Brutus Spinning Reel delivers dependable performance and value for all anglers. Designed for freshwater fishing, it combines lightweight materials with solid engineering to give you smooth retrieves, efficient power, and all-day comfort. Key features: graphite frame, lightweight yet strong. The Brutus features a corrosion-resistant graphite body for durable performance in various freshwater environments. CNC aluminum spool. The precision machine spool is braid-ready, reducing line slippage and eliminating the need for mono backing. 4+1 ball bearings. With 4 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, you get smooth retrieves and solid hook sets. 5.2:1 gear ratio. A versatile retrieve speed that offers a perfect balance between power and speed for multiple techniques and fish species. Reversible handle. Easily switch between left and right-hand retrieve to suit your preference. Perfect for beginners and budget-conscious anglers. Light to medium freshwater applications. Species like bass, trout, panfish, and walleye. The KastKing Brutus is a great entry-level spinning reel that offers reliability, smooth operation, and excellent value without compromising quality. A solid choice for weekend anglers and everyday fishing adventures. Number 3. KastKing Zephyr Spinning Reels. Here's a clean and engaging product description for the KastKing Zephyr Spinning Reels. Ideal for retail listings or promotional use. KastKing Zephyr Spinning Reels. Ultralight precision, heavy-duty performance. The KastKing Zephyr Spinning Reels are engineered for anglers who demand versatility, smooth operation, and cutting-edge design. Available in sizes from 500 to 1000 SFS, the Zephyr series ranges from ultralight finesse setups to heavy-duty spinning power, all wrapped in a lightweight and visually striking package. Key features: 7+1/6+1 shielded ball bearings. Ensures silky smooth retrieves and reliable performance under load. Carbon fiber drag system. Delivers powerful and smooth drag, ideal for finesse fishing or fighting bigger game. Stainless steel main shaft. Enhances strength and corrosion resistance, extending real life even in harsh conditions. CNC machined aluminum spool. Lightweight and braid-ready, designed for precise line lay and maximum casting distance. Lightweight body design. Optimized with graphite components for reduced fatigue and responsive handling. Color options. Available in black, green, and orange finishes for a modern look that matches your style. Reel sizes: 500/1000/1000 SFS. Ideal for ultralight to light spinning techniques such as panfish, trout, perch, and finesse bass fishing. Whether you're ultralight jigging or handling heavier freshwater tasks, the KastKing Zephyr offers a blend of style, strength, and smoothness, making it a standout in its class. Number 4. KastKing ReKon Saltwater. Here's a professional and compelling product description for the KastKing ReKon Saltwater Spinning Fishing Reel, suitable for e-commerce, reviews, or promotional materials. KastKing ReKon Saltwater Spinning Reel, built for the big game. The KastKing ReKon Saltwater Spinning Reel is a powerhouse engineered for serious saltwater anglers targeting big game species. With up to 55 pounds of max drag, an innovative nylon tech body, and advanced water-resistant design, the ReKon is ready to conquer offshore and inshore giants alike. Key features: massive 55 lb max drag, equipped with a carbon fiber drag system capable of battling large species like tuna, tarpon, amberjack, and sharks with ease. Innovative nylon tech body, constructed with KastKing's proprietary composite material for unmatched strength, reduced weight, and excellent corrosion resistance. Water-resistant design, engineered with tight tolerances and sealed components to keep water and salt out, enhancing durability in tough marine environments. MaxiDur 5+1+1 bearing system. Features 5 stainless steel ball bearings, 1 anti-reverse roller bearing, and 1 oscillation gear bearing, all corrosion-resistant for smooth, long-lasting performance. Precision machined gears. Reinforced internal gearing delivers solid cranking power and consistent retrieves under heavy pressure. Perfect for offshore big game fishing, saltwater pier and surf fishing, heavy-duty freshwater species like catfish and muskie. The KastKing ReKon combines brute strength, advanced materials, and saltwater-tuned features to handle the harshest conditions and the biggest fights. Whether you're chasing monsters in deep water or surf casting into the breakers, ReKon is your weapon of choice. Number 5. Pisphen Viper X Spinning Reels. Here's a clean and market-ready product description for the Piscifun Viper X spinning reels, suitable for online listings or comparison guides. Piscifun Viper X spinning reels. Speed, strength, and saltwater ready. The Piscifun Viper X is a lightweight, high-performance spinning reel crafted for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. Featuring a carbon fiber drag system up to 33 pounds, 10+1 shielded stainless steel bearings, and an advanced body design, the Viper X combines durability, smoothness, and power in a sleek and compact package. Key features: powerful drag system. Delivers up to 33 pounds of max drag via advanced carbon fiber washers ideal for both finesse and big fish battles. 10+1 shielded ball bearings. Ensures smooth retrieves and corrosion resistance, perfect for saltwater use. Lightweight carbon frame. Rigid yet ultra-light for enhanced casting comfort and sensitivity. Gear ratios: 5.2:1 for steady torque and control. 6.2:1 for high-speed retrieves when targeting fast-moving species. Sizes: 500 to 1000, ultralight setups for trout, panfish, and finesse fishing. 2000 to 3000, ideal for bass, walleye, and inshore species. 4000 to 5000, great for larger freshwater fish or saltwater species like redfish and snook. Design highlights: CNC machine spool for better line lay and casting distance. Oversized ergonomic handle for a confident grip. Stylish, corrosion-resistant finish for marine environments. Whether you're flipping docks for bass or casting jigs in the surf, the Piscifun Viper X delivers a perfect balance of speed, strength, and sensitivity, all at a highly competitive price point.